This recipe comes straight from our vegan cookbook in the bundle set. If you're interested, I've left a link in the description. Today we're making a peanut chickpea curry that's creamy, comforting, and incredibly cheap to make. This one uses simple pantry ingredients and comes together in one pot: onion, garlic, curry powder, cumin, turmeric, diced tomatoes, chickpeas, coconut milk, peanut butter, and broth. Nothing fancy. Everything affordable. Start by cooking onion in oil until soft. Add garlic and spices and cook until fragrant. Add diced tomatoes, chickpeas, and broth. Let it simmer so the flavors develop. Stir in peanut butter and coconut milk. This is what makes it creamy and rich without dairy. If you want to see the exact pot and kitchen tools we use for meals like this, they're listed on our household upgrades page on Tech Gear Garage. Everything is linked below. Serve over rice and you've got a filling, protein-rich meal for just a few dollars per serving. If you found this helpful, why not grab our recipe book on Etsy and subscribe for more practical cooking.